Uh, yeah. In this episode, we're talking about student finance England and everything you need to know. So, stick with me. Welcome to Money with George. I am George, and on this channel, I teach you everything I personally learn about money. Consider subscribing if you're in your 20s and you want to know exactly how money works so you can reach your financial goals. So let's get to it. In this episode, we're going to talk about student finance England. So student debt and student finance within England and everything you need to know about that, because there's a lot of myths, there's a lot of things that has been said about this over the years, and there's been quite a lot of controversy as well surrounding it. Now, I'm going to tell you exactly how it works moving forward. So, first of all, in 2012, a little bit of history on it, the student tuition fee was changed from £3,000 per year to £9,000 per year. Now, this was quite outrageous at the time, and it still is. A lot of people think it should be free to have a higher level of education like it is in a lot of Scandinavian countries. But right now, we are paying £9,000 per year for that privilege, which is a tremendous amount of money. The average amount of student debt for someone that left in 2018 was actually £36,000, which is, it's the deposit of a house. If you're living down in London, if you're living in the northeast, that's probably 3 or 4 houses, isn't it? It's a lot of money. I actually worked it out. I think it equates to around 144,000 Freddos. So it's a lot of money. But the way student debt works is not the same as an ordinary debt. If you have, for example, a payday loan with a very high interest on it, you'll probably have to pay monthly payments over a set period of time. Now, if you default on any of those payments, or you can't pay it back, or you become, I don't know, you lose your job, or for whatever reason you can't make that payment, a debt collection company will take over that matter, and then they may knock on your door and start taking your telly or taking whatever they can to fulfill that payment obligation. With the student debt system, it's completely different. The way I want you to view it is more like a graduate tax. And the way it works is there's a threshold payment. Now, if you're on Plan 2, which most of the people watching this channel probably will be, that means that anyone that went to university past this change in the tuition fee, the threshold is actually £26,725 before tax. So if you don't earn up to that figure, you don't have to repay your student loan. As soon as you start earning above that figure low, you pay 9%. So it's really relative to how well you are doing. The better you do, the more you pay. The worse you do, probably the less you pay. If you do really badly, you don't have to pay at all. The key thing to know is it's 9% over that £26,725 figure, and that is before tax. So, give you an example, if you earned £27,725, an extra £1,000 above that boundary, you'd only be paying £90 per year. If you earned an extra £10,000, you'd be paying £900 per year. So it's more like a graduate tax. The better you do from university, the more you're going to have to pay in tax or pay back your student debt. Now, the best thing about it is it actually gets written off after 30 years. So if you've got a bunch of capital, say you've saved up £10,000 and you're wondering, should I pay off my student debt or should I put a deposit on a home? Put the deposit on the home, because paying off your student debt that's going to be written off automatically is literally throwing money down the drain. So those are the key things that you do need to know. It's nowhere near as bad as it seems. And with the Plan 2, you've actually got a higher threshold than those people that were on that initial Plan 1. So for a lot of people, they'd actually be paying less on the Plan 2 system than they would be on the Plan 1 if they are earning below that threshold figure. So that was student finance and everything you need to know about student finance England. Hopefully that is helpful. If you like that video, please like it and subscribe. We're going to have new videos each week on the Friday, the Finance Friday episode system. Thank you for watching. Good day.